Jenn Air oven. Baking element is not quite heating up as red. I pulled out the element and this is what I see there. It appears that there's maybe a ground wire here, and that's separately connected. There's some more charred bits here on the element and wire connection on the left. The right one seems pretty clean. Having done this for the first time, I don't know if this is just a unplug it, wipe, and replace, or if more needs to be done with the wires. And then whether the ground, or I think at least what I'm calling a ground, I don't know if it is a ground, needs to be somehow replaced or rewired. This is an older house. Thanks for your input.